Hello, friends. This is Tony Dizant, space rocker of the planet Earth, and I'm coming back to my section El Buchito, a little bit of coffee in the afternoons or tea before you go to bed. And today, beautiful day today, I'm going to be talking about a subject that I just ran across. I'm not going to mention any names, but some professor in some prestigious university has said, and he has a theory about this, that our mysterious universe could be had formed in a lab by an advanced alien civilization. Okay, so let's elaborate on that. This so professor, and he has written many books already. He is a prestigious professor of a well-known university with many bestsellers and everything, is saying that our mysterious universe could have been formed in a lab by a few aliens. Or alien civilization. And he says this, and I quote: Since our universe has a flat geometry with a zero net energy, this advanced civilization could have developed a technology that created a baby universe. Okay, so let's chew on that one for a little bit. Okay, so you got this could have been maybe two or three people, right? Two or three aliens just got together and say, okay, yeah, we're gonna make a universe today, and yeah, why not? Okay, so they got together, and and they did this, and in accordance with this professor, they did it through something called quantum tunneling. I say again, quantum tunneling. Quantum tunneling. Okay, I got it. The third is a charm, right? Quantum tunneling. Okay, let's elaborate on this one. Basically, what this professor is saying that our civilization, us humans, and as far as I don't know any aliens, but I think we all humans, right? So us humans are in the class C civilization. C. Class C. Okay? Why? Why are we in the class C civilization? Okay. He's saying that we're in the class C civilization because we still depend on the sun to survive. We do not know how to survive without our main star, which is the sun. Okay? So basically, we kind of primitive in that area. If we could have survived without this, if we would have learned how to survive without the sun, we wouldn't be classified as a class C civilization. So in the scale of civilizations, he says there's a class C, which is us right now. There's a class B, and there's also a class A. And so he says that the aliens that got together and through quantum tunneling created a baby universe are considered a class A civilization. Okay? So you say, okay, well, what happened? What happened? Who's class B? If we're class C and the aliens that created us or created this universe, this whole universe, are in class A, who's in class B? I was wondering about that too. Well, to be able to become a class B civilization, let's say us, if we want to step up from C to B, we would have to learn how to survive without the sun. Simply as that. If we can survive or learn to survive without the sun, we will be considered a class B civilization. And once we step up to that level, then we can aspire to become a class A civilization by actually being able to get together with some other, uh, let's say, class B civilizations and create our own little baby universe through what is mentioned quantum tunneling. Yeah, I was curious about that too. Quantum tunneling. What the hell is that? Quantum tunneling. Yeah. Okay, well, basically, it's very simple. In very simple words, quantum tunneling is where an atom or a subatomic particle can appear on the opposite side of a barrier that should be impossible for practical practical to penetrate. Let me say again. Where an atom or subatomic particle can appear on the opposite side of a barrier that should be impossible or practical to penetrate. So there's a barrier here, there's a barrier here, and the atom is trying to go this way, but the phenomenon makes it where this atom just goes through it and keeps going through it, and we actually don't know exactly how it's done, but that's what happens. So basically, it's like if you look at a door and you see many doors through as far as the eye can see. That's another way to say it. It's just a phenomenon where it's actually impossible for us to understand right now, but it actually happens. The way I understand it is this way. They came to a room, they open up a map, and every time they fold it, they say, okay, well, this is going to be these planets over here. And this, so they did it on their own. Okay? So these people are like godlike or something, and they actually created the universe. Because the universe in reality, like I was mentioned in the beginning, coming to the understanding that the universe has a flat geometry with a zero net energy. So flat, that means you can lay it flat and actually put whatever you want in it. And so, what's the moral of this story right here? The moral of this story is this: I haven't met any aliens. I don't know of anybody that knows how to survive without the sun. And is this theory possible? Okay, I'm not gonna say, you know, I'm not gonna say some people might have got together and created everything that we see, but it's far fetched right now. It really is. And I hope this professor keeps selling books, and maybe he'll go to the grave thinking that he's right about this theory. But I'm looking into it, and I seriously doubt it right now. I seriously doubt that a few aliens got together, folded up a map, and created the universe. So, to that professor that said that, good luck. I hope you sell a lot of books, but you ain't getting my money. I'm gonna look into it because I'm curious. I'm curious. I'm gonna look into it, but I don't think it's gonna happen. At least not in my lifetime. And this is Tony Dizant, space rocker of the planet Earth, still living in this beautiful planet called Earth. Question everything. I'll see you on my next video.